Good day po sa inyo, ma'am. Ito po ang aking video presentation. And ito na rin po ang aking mga givens. Y is equals to tangent 10x. Y is equals to sine raised to the power 5, 2x. And y is equals to 3x squared plus 8y squared equals 12. So, dito naman na po tayo sa try ko. dy dx is equals to the ddx of tangent 10x. So, ang gagawin po natin is, if first derivative po natin ang tangent 10x, so makakuha po tayo ng secant squared 10x multiplied by the ddx of 10x, so makakuha po tayo ng secant squared 10x times 10, and i-arrange na lang po natin. So, meron po tayong final answer na 10 secant squared 10x. Then, ang next naman po is try go with chain rule. Ang given po natin dito is sine raised to the power 5, 2x. So, para makuha po natin ang dy dx, nasa title na po, is kailangan po natin gumamit ng chain rule. So, ang first step po dito is ilabas po natin yung exponent, then bring it sa harap. So, makakuha po tayo ng 5. Then, keep po natin yung inner function, which is sine 2x. Then, the chain rule po is kapag napag-derive na po tayo, n minus 1 na po nun. Kaya po, 5 sine 2x raised to the power 4 multiplied by the ddx of sine 2x, which is, magiging ano po siya nun, 5 sine 2x raised to the power 4 multiplied by cosine 2x multiplied by the ddx of 2x. So, meron po tayo nung 5 sine 2x raised to the power 4 multiplied by cosine 2x multiplied by 2. So, dito po sa step na to, pag-multiply lang po tayo ng like terms. So, dito po sa 5 at saka sa 2 sa una, magiging po siyang 10 sine 2x raised to the power 4 cosine 2x. Okay na po. So, ang next naman po natin is the implicit. So, may given po tayo na y is equals to the 3x squared plus 8y squared equals 12. So, ang first step po natin dito is i-derive po natin lahat ng terms dito, pati na rin po yung 12 sa first derivative po nila. So, makakuha po tayo ng 6x plus 16y squared, 16y prime equals 0. Then, i-move po natin yung 16y prime sa left, and yung 6x naman po sa right, kaya naging negative 6x po siya. And to cancel po yung 16y, i-divide po natin yung both sides ng 16y para matira po yung y prime. So, makakuha po tayo ng y prime is equals to negative 3x over 8y. Okay, so next po is kukunin natin ng second derivative ng ating implicit given. And ang first step po dito is to use quotient rule. So, makakakuha po tayo ng ddx of negative 3x multiplied by 8y minus the ddx of 8y multiplied by negative 3x over 8y squared. Then, kapag na-derive na po siya, makakakuha po tayo ng negative 3 multiplied by 8y minus 8y prime multiplied by negative 3x over 8y squared. Then, next naman po is pag-multiply na po natin sila. So, makakuha po tayo ng negative 24y plus 24xy prime. Kung nagtataka po kayo bakit naging plus yung sign, kasi po 8y prime times negative 3x is negative 24xy prime. Then, meron pa po siyang negative sign, so kailangan din pong i-distribute yun, kaya naging positive po over 64y squared. Kasi po, na-square na po yung 8y. Then, ang next naman po is isa-substitute po natin yung value ng y prime, which is negative 3x over 8y. Kaya makakakuha po tayo ng negative 24y plus 24x multiplied by negative 3x over y over 64y squared. Ang next naman po is multiply po natin yung 24x sa negative 3x, kaya makakuha po tayo ng negative 24y minus 72x squared minus 8y over 8y over 64y squared. Then, ang next naman po nating step is multiply po natin ang negative 24y sa denominator na 8y at makakakuha po tayo ng negative 192y squared minus 72x squared over 8y dahil ito po yung denominator natin sa kanina over 64y squared. Then, ang next step naman po is magpa-factor out po tayo. So meron po tayong 8 is multiplied by negative 24y squared minus 9x squared over 8y over 64y squared. Baka nagtataka po kayo, bakit 8? Kasi po, kapag 8 multiplied by negative 24y squared, makakakuha po tayo ng negative 192y squared. And 8 multiplied by negative 9x squared, makakakuha naman po tayo ng negative 72x squared. Okay? So, yung next po natin is, ika-cancel po natin yung 8 sa labas and yung 8 sa denominator na 8y. So, makakuha po tayo ng negative 24y squared minus 9x squared over y over 64y squared. Then, ang gagawin po natin dito is magre-reciprocal po yung 64y squared para po makapag-multiply tayo. So, makakuha po tayo ng negative 24y squared minus 9x squared over y multiplied by 1 over 64y squared. So, ang final answer po natin is negative 24y squared minus 9x squared over 64y cubed. Tataka po kayo bakit cube? Kasi po y times 64y squared is 64y cubed. So, ayun lang po. Thank you for listening.